Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to clean shrimps in different ways. The first one is totally clean, without head, without tail, and nice and clean and devein. And the second one is with tail on and devein as well. And the third, which is my favorite, with the head and the tail on, because the head usually when I cook it gives really a lot of flavors. And these, devein and cuts. Later when you cook it, the shell makes a nice shape, so it's good for presentation. This one, it's deveined, but not touched at all, totally closed as we get from the market. First thing, if it's still with the head, just pull the head off. It comes usually easily, okay? And start to peel the shell, okay? And then here you just push and press with your thumb, and it comes out easily, okay? Now we will devein it, okay? So with the knife, just go through the line which is here at the back, and usually you will see this there, okay? Just clean it. Usually it comes with one straight line, but in this one it doesn't show. So here you get nice and clean piece of shrimp, okay? So this is the first. Make another one, try to peel it off, okay? And here you just try to we start with the feet, okay? Just try to peel them off, and then gently the rest comes out. And again, some like to keep the tail off, so here will be another way, which is with the tail and the head off, okay? We just clean this stuff, and again we clean the other one. So I'm lucky today, I got all of them clean. But anyway, this is the second way, okay, to keep the head on and the tail on as well. Now I will keep the shrimp as it is, except I will devein it, okay? So with the scissor, you come here from the head, you keep the head on if you would like to. If you don't like it, remove it, okay? But anyway, I'll take this and I start cutting on the same line. See this line here? So this is what I'm gonna follow. So I'll just keep on cutting till the tail, and I'm not cutting through the meat, okay? So, and here you see this black line, so I just remove it with the help of the knife, and then easily you pull and it comes out easily. Another way is without cutting the shrimp, if you want to keep the head and the feet and the shell and everything on, but you don't want this, line which is full of sand and dirt. So what you can do, you can just take a little small tweezer, and then here when you actually bend the shrimp, you could see, I don't know if you guys see it, that black line there. So gently and carefully try to grab it, and slowly it comes out, okay? Careful so it doesn't break at the end. To inspire you, I made coconut fried shrimps in butter, lemon and garlic, and I made the broth with the shells that I use for my risotto. All these recipes you can find it on my websites.